When I have self-confidence. Having self-confidence can be very useful in various aspects of life. 1. Better decision-making. With self-confidence, you are more likely to trust your instincts and make decisions without second-guessing yourself. 2. Better communication. When you have self-confidence, you are more likely to speak up and express your ideas and opinions, which can lead to better communication and stronger relationships. 3. Improved performance. Self-confidence can lead to better performance in work, school, sports, and other activities because you believe in your abilities. 4. Resilience. With self-confidence, you are better equipped to bounce back from setbacks and failures. When you have self-confidence, you are more likely to speak up and express your ideas and opinions, which can lead to better communication and stronger relationships. 5. Leadership. Self-confidence is a key trait of effective leaders, as it inspires trust and respect in others. 6. Creativity. You may be more likely to take risks and explore new ideas, leading to greater creativity and innovation. Overall, self-confidence can help you achieve your goals, build stronger relationships, and live a more fulfilling life. It is your turn to speak. 3, 2, 1, go! Great job! Comment, subscribe, or contact me at this number. Bye!